Hi guys, this is Katja with Creative Image Studio. Today I'm sharing with you a condolences card. I know this is probably not the most loved genre of cards, but we need those as well, guys. So I thought I'd share a design that I just did, unfortunately, with reason. And here is what I created. Now, the paper that I used was the sheet Morning Dew by Freya Motion. Now I also found some embellishments. These are actually brandless. They came in a set in one of our budget stores, our dollar type stores. Now this 3x4" cut apart I took from another sheet, and this was, let's see, Bo Bunny's Black Tie Affair. That is a collection. Black Tie Affair, and the sheet is Romance, and I stamped it with Condolences in Dutch, and then I added some chipboard pieces here. This is a kiss and a heart. Now, with all of the materials out of the way, let's look at the card itself. It's a gatefold card, as you can see, so you open it up like this. I matted the other side of this Bo Bunny card as well, and I chose a piece of the pattern that would sort of continue on the other panel here. This is actually the back side of this one sheet of paper that I used, so I have room to write here. And then here I decorated with an extra strip of paper, which I stamped. So as you can see, I kept it very simple. I could have perhaps done a stamp here or something, or maybe some flowers, but this is a condolences card, so I didn't want many frills and fluff and flowers and bows and not too happy, let's say. So I kept it simple and elegant. And of course it is magnetized, so it will stay closed. And then on the back, another piece of design paper. So my point here is we can still create beautiful cards even if the occasion isn't a happy one. It's no reason not to make a card. It's no reason to not make it beautiful. You can look at the color palette to keep it a bit muted perhaps, and you can still add some embellishments that are suitable to the occasion. The point is that you can still make a lovely card even for these kinds of occasions. I have created more than one condolences card, of course, the past couple of years, and let me show you two of those. I haven't filmed them, but I can show you some pictures. So this is the first one, and this is from the same paper collection as this card that I just showed you. And this is also just one sheet of double-sided design paper that I folded into this wallet. And then I added some pieces of cardstock to write some messages or to add some pictures. So that is the first one. And the second one is a very, very simple one. It's just a double-sided piece of paper with a lovely pattern, very suitable, I thought, muted colors, but still a lovely flower. And then I just wrote the message inside. So no embellishments whatsoever. So that is also an option for you guys. Just take a suitable piece of design paper and create a card. It doesn't have to be elaborate. It doesn't have to be a complex design, but you can still use it and still send someone some love over the mail. So this was my card that I wanted to share with you, an idea for a condolences card, keeping it simple but still lovely, choosing a muted color palette. And you only need one piece of design paper that is double-sided, add some embellishments, and there you go. And last but not least, before I go, I wanted to show you the envelope. This is simply a generic black envelope, a square one that will fit the card, of course. And I decided, you know, I could have written with gold or silver or white lettering, but I decided to use up some of the leftover pieces of the design paper that I used for the card. And that is also very simply done. Just put a rectangle with the pattern and then turn it around, put a smaller rectangle. So using the back side of the double-sided design paper, and then you have a lovely envelope, and it is also easier perhaps to write dress. So this is the idea that I wanted to show you. I also showed two extra designs for some inspiration, and I know the topic is not fun, but still we can still bring maybe some love and give some warmth and sort of a hug in the mail, because creating your own cards takes time, it takes energy, it takes love actually to create it with someone in mind. So I'm convinced that if I send this card out to my family member who has lost a loved one, I'm convinced she feels the love that I put into this card. So hopefully that inspired you a bit to not avoid the not happy occasions and still pour your love into your creations and sending out that love to your friends and relatives who need it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think or if you have any questions at all, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.